Hello, this is Jason Payne for Coldwell Banker Dan Harper Realtors. I specialize in helping people relocate from anywhere in the country to Central Texas. And today I'm at one of my favorite places, New Braunfels, Texas, in the subdivision of Meyers Ranch. Our feature builder of today is JUELL. Let's check them out. The subdivision of Meyers Ranch is going to be a huge subdivision, and it's just getting started. It's right off of Highway 46 on the south side of New Braunfels. There are going to be a lot of really nice builders in this subdivision. So we do have some workers out here still working on getting this up and running. You can't help notice but the big beautiful metal roof on this building. Metal roof is going to be a really nice feature for extending the life of the house, because yes, every once in a while we do have hailstorms and metal roofs are the best for that. And they're also really energy efficient. Let's go check out the inside. All right, this is JUELL's model home. Right when you come in, you do have a guest bedroom. There's our sales rep, Courtney. So yeah, if you have guests staying, they get to have this beautiful bathroom all to themselves. I have to apologize real quick. I rode my motorcycle over here today, so I do have squeaky boots on. Please let that not distract you. Look at this beautiful back kitchen here. Love a quartz composite sink. I have become a sink snob in my older age. You're going to have your utility tucked back here in the corner. So if you're doing laundry, it's not going to impede on whatever else you've got going on in the house. A little half bath tucked away. All right. Your owner's suite. Look at the spacing in here. Love the high ceilings. And they do a really good job making sure there's plenty of light. And I particularly like having a patio door opening from my master bedroom. You do have his and her vanities. Really nice soaking tub. But look at this shower. Love the fact they put 2 rows in their closet. Because you put a lot more clothes in there than just a single rack. They do have the luxury vinyl wood-light floor, making it very water resistant, no transitions. I absolutely love it. Let's go check out the upstairs here. you do have a small loft, playroom, arts area, craft area, whatever you want to do with it. If you have a teenager, this would be great because they'd have their own bathroom. Almost their own bathroom, Jack and Jill, but beautiful shower in here. So it's really nice if you have two teenagers. All right, that's gonna wrap up the tour of this beautiful home built by JUELL in Meyers Ranch, New Braunfels, Texas. If you want more information, feel free to give me a call, 210-254-4425. My website link is listed on the next page. And remember, even if you're buying new construction, it's really great to have a realtor being an advocate for you. And it doesn't cost you anything extra to use a realtor. That's a common misconception people have. So feel free to give me a call and I'll be happy to help you out. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Take care now.